guys, welcome back to my channel. So if I seem a little irritated in this video, it's just because I had recorded the whole thing without pushing the record button, and it was a good video too. So I'm honestly just gonna be real with y'all. This video is probably not gonna be that good. The first one was amazing. So yeah, around this time every year, well, before I get started, hit the red subscribe button, and I'm gonna try to make this short. Also turn on bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. I'm gonna try to find my zen and record this again. That rhymed. Okay, so around this time of year, every year, I begin to reflect back on the year and what I've done, my highs and my lows. And when it comes to my YouTube channel, if you see something flying around, there's a fly in my room. So this is just real life, okay? And so when it comes to my YouTube channel, I just feel kind of stuck. And I don't want to say I'm over it, because I'm not over making videos. I love making videos for you guys. But it's no secret that I'm not motivated. It's no secret that I don't upload when I'm supposed to. It's no secret that I want to punch this fly in the face. No, but for real, this video probably isn't going to be edited. It's just going to be raw and real because I need to get this up. So just deal with it. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm never motivated and I'm never uploading right. And just after much contemplating and kind of, figuring things out, I think I need to take a step back from beauty because I'm not experienced enough when it comes to makeup. And I feel like my lack of content is because of my lack of knowledge. And I don't want to upload something just for the sake of uploading something. And I know I've said that before and I sound like a broken record, but quality is so much better than quantity. And I would rather have one good video a week and it be the best video I've ever made in my whole life than 3 videos a week and they all have iffy lighting and they suck and they're just not good. And because I think of YouTube like this, I watch stuff that I enjoy and I watch stuff that is good quality content. The only time you're really allowed a freebie with content is if you're a vlogger, because you're not always going to have good lighting when you're a vlogger, because you're out and about and it may be cloudy one day, it may be sunny one day, you may be going through a tunnel or whatever it may be. And I don't know, I want to get into vlogs more. For example, right now I have a vlog sitting on my desktop that I haven't even uploaded because one, the lighting isn't that good, but like I said, your freebie with lighting is a vlog. And then 2, it's just not very long and I want to add more to it because I don't know about y'all, but I love a good long video. There's nothing I love more than coming home after running around all day, sitting down on YouTube and just watching long videos. I love it. But at the same time, a video really shouldn't be 10 minutes or more. Depending on the kind of quality or the kind of content that you are uploading. So, I guess what I'm trying to get at is I'm going to hit the pause button for a little bit when it comes to beauty because I'm not educated enough. I don't know enough, and knowledge is power. And I'm just not happy with the makeup videos that I do for you guys because one, I'm not that good at makeup, and I'm not saying this stuff to tear me down, so don't leave comments and don't be so hard on yourself. I'm gonna be hard on myself. It's just the way I am when it comes to my YouTube channel, so save your time. Not being mean, but save your time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pause on the beauty videos right now. I'm still gonna make stuff, but I am going to do a little bit of a hiatus, a little bit of recon, a little bit of rebranding, if you will. I want a new banner. I want eventually to get an intro where I'll come on, I'll say something, and then it'll be an intro, and then I'll go into my video. Or it'll just be my intro, and then I'll go into my video. So I do want to do that, and I wanted 500 subscribers by the end of 2018, and I'm not going to get that. So I then lowered my standards to 250, and I'm probably not going to get that. So, you know, and it's probably because I'm not consistent with my posting, which is understandable. But like I said, I haven't been motivated because I'm not enjoying what I'm doing. And I love making videos for you guys, and I don't want to stop YouTube. But at the same time, like, I have to compartmentalize what I'm doing, and I have to figure out, do I want beauty? Do I want vlogs? Do I want workouts? Do I want fashion? Do I want lifestyle? And I think I'm leaning more towards the lifestyle lane, because that way it's not so hard. I can't go to Sephora every week and like buy new makeup and test it for you guys. I just can't. I'm not rich. I don't have $1 million to go to Sephora. And I know you don't have to have $1 million to go to Sephora, obviously, but like, you know, my parents provide for me, so it's not as easy for me to go buy new makeup every day. And that's just something I haven't told you guys because, you know, I haven't really wanted to, and I'm just gonna be more open and more vulnerable and more real with you guys in this new like little like season, if you will. So just know that I am gonna take a break, and it's not because I don't love makeup. I'm still gonna do makeup on like Insta and Facebook Lives. Just make sure you're following me on my social medias down below to like stay behind the scenes and in the know of what's going on. So from time to time, I probably will still post like a makeup video over there, but I don't know about on here. I mean, I'm not gonna go back and delete every single makeup video I've ever uploaded on my channel. One, that would be just dumb, because one day in my life, I might want to look back and be like, you know, for example, hypothetically speaking, show my daughter, look at this Tarte video I did, like back in the day. Like, look at your mom. Was I not like the coolest thing ever? And then if I deleted those now, I would regret it. And like, everything happens for a reason, and I'm a firm believer of that. So it's hard for me to like go into this YouTube game because I'm a planner, guys. Like, I like to know what I'm doing every single day. Don't get me wrong, I can be spontaneous, and I am spontaneous from time to time. I'm spontaneous on vacation, for example, where my mom wants to plan out everything. I'm like, girl, you gotta calm down. You need to chill. Like, we are not planning anything. We are here. We're gonna chill. We're gonna do what we want. We're not planning out vacay. But when it comes to YouTube, like, you have to have a schedule. You have to plan. You can't just be like, oh, it's a Wednesday at 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna make a video on ways not to be lonely. Like, could I do that? Yeah. But would it drive me crazy? Yeah. Because one, it's probably not going to be a very good video, because I'm going to probably not already have something on my channel, and I'm just going to hurry and edit it and hurry and upload it, and it's just going to be a mediocre video. And I'm tired of doing mediocre videos. I want top-notch content. Quality is better than quantity. I've said it once, I'll say it again, I'll say it 1,000,000 times. I would rather have one good video a week than 3 really sucky videos, or 3 mediocre videos. Gangsta. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to let you guys know what was going on. Eventually, maybe I can work up to Fitness Fridays if I can get my lazy booty to the gym. It's literally across the parking lot, guys. It's across the parking lot. Open the door, you're in the fitness center. I can't get there. I wear workout clothes, but I don't work out. I know other people can relate to my issue, but no, for real. Maybe eventually I'll get up to Fitness Fridays. I don't know. Wisdom Wednesdays. We'll just see, guys. Just stay tuned. I'm not going to tell you guys, like, I'm strictly doing lifestyle and nothing else, because I do want to vlog. I do want to upload motivational and encouraging and inspirational content for you guys. And, you know, from time to time, maybe have a guest on and just do an interview, or I don't know, like, maybe we'll do some cooking or some baking. Like, I'm opening my door a little farther is what I'm trying to say, because I've just been so stuck in like beauty, like I have to do makeup, I have to do makeup, and I don't want to do that. I want to do fashion, I want to do vlogs, I want to do workouts, I want to do everything. YouTube isn't just one, it's not a one lane road. There's so many lanes to it. You just got to figure out what lane you belong in, or lanes you belong in. So I'm not going to sit here and babble, guys, because I need to get this video up, and I'm probably not going to edit it like I said. If I do not press the record button, I will scream, but I know that I did. So, subscribe, and just know I'm going to be a little bit MIA here and there, because I'm rebranding, I'm regrouping, I'm talking to my brother through things, because that's his job. He like edits videos, he can make a pillow green, he can make a pillow pink, he can make it strapping, he does text on videos. Like, my brother's a pro. we're just going to go out on a whim and say my brother's a pro. So he's going to help me along the way, but he's very busy. I get that. I'm not busy. I'm always bored. Being bored is boring. You smell what I'm stepping in. So I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.